Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S5 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And unpairing could be useful if you want to connect your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it to somebody or give it away to somebody, anything that will require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch from our phone, we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that our watch is paired with. Tap on Device, and here, if you tap on More, you will see the Unpair button. You can tap on it and tap on OK. And the watch will disappear from the device page. And it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. After it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which means that the reset is complete. And basically, that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.